Hello everyone, this is Salar, and in this video I will show you how to add icons to the website. The resource that I will be using in this tutorial is fontawesome. Fontawesome has a great collection of icons. Some icons are paid and some are free, and we are going to use the free icons, right? You need to open the fontawesome website. I have provided the link in the description. Now to that website, you need to set up an account to get your personal kit code. Account setup is very simple. You just need to verify your email and then you are logged in. Once you are logged in, you will get your personal kit code. This kit code is a small script. We need this script in our HTML file. So I'm going to copy this kit code from here and pasting it to the head section of my HTML document. So the reference to the fontawesome website is now added to my HTML document. Now back to the fontawesome website. Click on the icons here, and from here you will select free and open source icons. Click on it. Now here you have a lot of free icons, and you can even search for any icons you want. Let's look for the YouTube. So we got two different YouTube icons. Let's now click on this one. And to start using this icon, all you have to do is just copy this HTML code from here and then place it somewhere within the body of your HTML document. The icon is added, and here we have it in the output. Let's now search for a few more. How about home icon? And here we have a lot of home icons. Select the one you want to use. Let's say I choose this one. Now this icon has a lot of variety. As you can see here, we have a classic versions. You can choose any version from here, or you have sharp version, right? And to use this icon, you will do the same. You will just copy this HTML from here and paste it in the body section of your HTML. That's it. Now refresh the page, and here we have the home icon. Let's now take one more icon. How about the Twitter one? Choose this one and copy this code, place it in the body and refresh the page. And here we have Twitter icon. So the adding icons to the website is very simple. We can even style these icons with the help of CSS. And you can see the icons have their own classes. So we can style these icons by selecting them using the classes like for YouTube, for house, and for Twitter. Let's now change the color of these icons in the CSS file. Target first the YouTube icon and apply color red and apply color green and apply color. Now refresh the page, and you will see different colors are applied to the icons. You can also change the size of these icons. To change the size, you will in the HTML add another class. Let's say I want to double the size of the YouTube icon, so I would write for hyphen 2x, and if I want to increase the size of the home or the house icon 3 times, then I would write for hyphen 3x, and for increasing the size 4 times, I would write for hyphen 4x. Now refresh the page, and here you see the icons in different sizes. More about styling these icons with the help of HTML or CSS can be found on this website. I will also put a link in the description about how to style these icons, right? Now, one final thing that I want to show you here is that you can even turn these icons into the hyperlinks. All you need to do is just put a pair of anchor tag around the icon and set the href attribute equal to the URL. That's it. Now refresh the page, click on the YouTube icon, and here we have YouTube, right? So friends, we learned to use fontawesome icons. And if the video helped you out, be sure to help me out by smashing that like button and leaving comments under this video. I will see you around, and thanks for watching.